What are video sales funnels and why do you need one? Creating video content can feel overwhelming. So where do you start? And how do you make sure once you make a video it actually works? The answer is a video sales funnel. So what exactly is a video sales funnel? Think of a video sales funnel as the journey your customers take before making a purchase. Now imagine using videos to make that journey more engaging, more memorable, and let's be honest, way more effective. That's a video sales funnel. And here's how it works. Attract people with engaging content. Build trust by addressing their problems. Educate them about solutions, your solutions. Guide them to take action like buying or booking a call. Today, customers don't just buy based on price or features, they buy because they trust you. A video sales funnel helps build that trust. So this is how video works at each stage of a sales funnel. At the top of the funnel, it's actually abbreviated TOFU, not the wobbly stuff. At this stage, it's all about awareness. Fun social clips, explainer videos, or brand intros work best here. In the middle of the funnel, MOFU, people are researching. These are tutorials, product showcases, and webinars to help build trust. And at the bottom of the funnel, BOFU, it's the decision time. Use product demos, testimonials, and comparison videos to seal the deal. So here are 7 steps to build your video sales funnel. First, audit your existing content. Turn your blogs and guides into videos. Analyze your competitors, see what works for them in terms of video content. Identify gaps in your funnel, the awareness, education, or perhaps trust building. Define your goals, the views, the leads, or the sales, for example, the KPIs. Create your own video, DIY or hire in a professional. Promote the videos on social media or share with influencers. And then optimize as you go. Tweak, test, and repeat. Building a video sales funnel is not as complicated as it sounds, and it's really worthwhile. You need to create videos that don't just look good, they have a purpose and will bring you some results for your business and goals. If you found this interesting, please subscribe, and if you've got any questions, do get in touch. Thanks for watching.